How to find square root of 0.01 by long division method? At first you need to make pair. Before decimal we have whole number part, after decimal we have fractional part. For whole number part we need to make pair from right hand side to left hand side, and after decimal we need to make pair from our left hand side to right hand side. So this is whole number part, we have just one pair. You can consider one more zero, but we don't need it. And for fractional part we have one pair. Now consider this whole number part 0. You need to consider here a digit whose square is equal to 0 nearest to 0. If you take here 0, then 0 squared equal to 0. So same digit will come to the quotient also. 0 times 0, 0. Subtract 0. Bring down the next pair. Before this pair we have a decimal, so decimal must come directly to the quotient. As you have placed here 0, the same digit will come under the divisor and you need to add 0 plus 0, 0. Now look, here 1, here 0. You need to place here a digit, same digit will come here, and if you multiply, that the product should be equal to 0, 0, 1 means 1 or nearest to 1. So if you take here 1, 1, so 1 times 0, 1 means 1. 0, 1 times 1 means 1, 0 means 1. So 1 times 0, 1 means 0, 1. You can place one more 0 if you want. Subtract, you are getting 0. As our remainder is 0, we are done. As you have placed here the digit 1 here, same digit will come here and you need to add 0, 2. 0, 2 means 2. 0 in the left hand side of a digit doesn't carry any value. So the square root of 0.01 by long division method is 0.1.